If you want to hide sensitive content on Instagram or adjust your sensitive content control settings, here's how to do it. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. Tap the three lines menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Content Preference. Now select sensitive content and choose your preferred setting. You'll see three options: More, Standard, and Less. If you want to reduce sensitive content, choose Less. This will limit posts that contain potentially sensitive material from appearing in your Explore page, Reels, and suggested posts. If you don't see this option, make sure your Instagram app is updated by checking the Google Play Store for any available updates. If you want to hide sensitive content from specific account, you can mute or block them by visiting their profile, tap the three-dot menu and select Mute or Block. That's it. Now you know how to control sensitive content on Instagram. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.